Hello everyone and welcome. In this presentation, we're diving into the fascinating world of circuit complexity, a key area within the theory of computation. We'll be focusing on Boolean circuits and how they help us understand the complexity of computational problems. Let's start by understanding what Boolean circuits are. A Boolean circuit is essentially a map. It is a directed acyclic graph where each point in the graph represents a Boolean gate. The edges or lines in the graph represent connections between these gates. This structure allows us to visualize and analyze how Boolean operations are performed to compute functions. Now, let's break down the main components of a Boolean circuit. First, we have input nodes. These are the variables typically denoted as x sub 1, x sub 2, and so on up to x sub n, which serve as the entry points for Boolean values into the circuit. Second, we have logic gates such as AND, OR, and NOT gates, which perform the actual Boolean operations on the input values. Let's look at a simple example. On the left, we have a Python implementation of a simple circuit. It starts by performing an AND operation on inputs x sub 1 and x sub 2. Then, it performs a NOT operation on x sub 1. Finally, it combines the results of the AND and NOT operations using AND OR gate to produce the final output. In essence, this circuit computes the Boolean expression open parenthesis x sub 1 and x sub 2 close parenthesis or not x sub 1. When analyzing circuits, we use specific measures to quantify their complexity. The first measure is size, which refers to the total number of gates in the circuit. The second measure is depth, which is the length of the longest path from any input node to the output node. Both size and depth provide insights into the resources required to compute a function using a circuit. Based on these complexity measures, we can define circuit complexity classes. Two important classes are NC and P/Poly. NC includes problems that can be solved by circuits with polylogarithmic depth, indicating highly parallelizable computations. P/Poly includes problems solvable by circuits of polynomial size, allowing for a broad range of computations that can be efficiently implemented with circuits. One of the central challenges in circuit complexity is proving lower bounds. That is, proving that certain functions require circuits of exponential size to compute. Establishing such bounds is incredibly difficult, but crucial for understanding the inherent limitations of computation. Shannon's bound, for example, demonstrates that most Boolean functions require at least 2 to the power of n, divided by n gates, highlighting the vast complexity of Boolean functions in general. Circuit complexity has numerous practical applications, including cryptography, hardware design, and parallel computing. However, significant open problems remain. One of the most intriguing questions is whether P equals NP/Poly, which explores the relationship between polynomial time algorithms and polynomial size circuits. Addressing these questions will not only deepen our theoretical understanding, but also unlock new possibilities in computer science. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.